A micron is a unit of measurement used to express small distances or thicknesses. It is equal to 1/1,000,000th of a meter. Let's take a look at how it compares in size to a few other small things. We'll start with a single ground of coffee, which is bigger than a single grain of beach sand, which is larger than a single grain of salt, and the salt is larger than pollen. Now we will get past the normal limit of visibility, where we will have a white blood cell that is larger than a particle of smoke. The smoke particle is bigger than a red blood cell is larger than bacteria, and underneath all of that is a micron. Microns are commonly used as a unit of tolerance in CNC machining. A tolerance of plus or minus 0.01 microns means that the machine part can deviate by no more than 0.01 microns from the design specification. Grinding is one of the most precise and accurate methods for producing high-quality CNC spindle shafts, and microns play a critical role in this process. During the grinding process, the spindle shaft is held in place while an abrasive grinding wheel removes material from the surface of the shaft. The goal is to remove just enough material to achieve the desired specifications for the shaft without removing too much and compromising its strength or durability. Microns are used to measure the amount of material that is being removed from the shaft during the grinding process and to ensure that the shaft is being ground to the precise dimensions required. In addition to measuring the amount of material being removed, microns are also used to measure the surface finish of the shaft. The surface finish is critical to the performance of the shaft as it affects factors such as friction, wear resistance, and fatigue life.